even as a Breitling enthusiast, the Breitling Chronomat that you can see here was never truly on my radar. Despite the usage of in-house B01 movement, attractive eye-catching dials, like you see here, precious metals, and pretty much everything else that a Breitling owner like me could ever want. The reason is this big bezel. Now this is just me, and a lot of the other guys out there who are several-time Breitling owners love them. But the font on the bezel numbers always bugged me. You can see it here with the 55, 5, 10, etc. I've always called it the Buck Rogers font in the past. So, like other watch enthusiasts out there, and you might be one of them, even if a watch has everything possible going for it, movement, colors, etc., one dumb little detail that a designer that knows way more about watches put in it will derail the whole damn thing. That font was the dumb little thing for me. It appears I wasn't alone. This year, under the guidance of Georges Kern, the newest version of the Chronomat, which you can see here, and here's a better version that you can look at. These are two black-eyed blue versions of it. The new one on the left, the old one on the right, has removed that very bezel and the Buck Rogers font. It's in focus. There you go. In its place is a font that is reminiscent of the current Colt. So you can see the bezels are very similar to each other. And Avenger Alliance. Now that's a design decision that I could really get behind. The Chronomat always had beautiful dials. It always had a good movement with the B01, but now the all-new brush finish, a more conservative redesigned bezel, this is just a watch that can actually find its way into my watch box. So here's the technical stuff. The new Chronomat is at 44 millimeters in diameter. The case is 16.95 millimeters thick. It's powered by the B01 running at 28,800 BPH, and it's got a 70-hour power reserve. Just like the Navitimer 01, Super Ocean Heritage 2 B01, and really any other Breitling with the numbers 01 anywhere near the name. All of these new versions of the Chronomat are stainless steel with either a black croc strap or the stainless steel bracelet that you see here. So, if you want to get a gold Chronomat, you still have to go with the old Buck Rogers bezel. The dials are available in black-eyed blue, which again you see this version here, or black-eyed gray. And here's the version. So basically what they mean by black-eyed is it has black subdials and the color here. So black-eyed blue has got a blue dial and black subdials. Same with black-eyed gray. Gray dial, black subdials. This is you'll see this in a lot of different other Breitlings. They had this on the previous version of the Chronomat like this. They also had it on the Super Ocean Heritage and some of the other versions of Breitling watches. If you see black-eyed blue referenced anywhere on our site or any other sites that are Breitling authorized dealers, you'll see black-eyed blue or black-eyed gray, that kind of thing, and that's what they mean. If anything can be improved upon the new watch, I might take the little box, as you can actually see, if we can get this focused. You see there's a little box here, right, this little guy, that you can only see when you kind of turn it in the right light. See that? You can kind of see it edging out. The 10 right there. Going through the subdials, the 20 and the 40 on the watch. And I'd actually take that and put this on this new watch. Because without the Buck Rogers bezel, the new brush finish, the new colors, which is actually it's much more kind of a brush look as opposed to the shinier looks of the old ones. You have an amazing looking watch. But truthfully, the new watch is really a looker. And truthfully, like, I think it's a great little gateway drug into the actual whole Breitling line. So whereas before, the old watch is really only for current Breitling owners who were kind of really indoctrinated into the Breitling really wild designs, you know, kind of some things like Super Avengers, that kind of thing, who kind of knew what they were getting into. I think the new Chronomat is much more accessible for people who are looking at IWCs, Ulysse Nardines, you know, even tags and some of the other higher end watches out there that are within the same price range. As for this new version of the Chronomat, it's an impressive entry into the Breitling brand for new customers. Before, in my opinion, the Chronomat was a continuation for the brand for existing customers like me. Now it's a great gateway for new customers. And again, that's something I could definitely get behind. I want to see this brand grow as a several time owner, as well as an employee of an authorized dealer. So with that, that's Dan with Birdians signing off.